On this trip, nothing comes easy. With a flick of her tail feathers, she turns on a dime. She's got the skills to take a bath with a hungry tigerfish. The swallows covered 2,000 miles in just 10 days. Everyone's racing to get home. But they're under surveillance by a master hunter. Reaching up to 40 miles an hour in pursuit, he's one of the few birds of prey fast enough to catch the acrobatic swallow in flight. But she's not going to be someone's dinner. Not today. Over 6,000 miles after leaving South Africa. Her laser-like focus can still pinpoint exactly what she's looking for. This tiny farmyard where she and her partner nested last year. Sweet home.